So hi everyone, this is Kazema from Mac Support. In today's video, we're going to go over how you can import all your Ewons from your free account to your Talk2M Pro account. So first of all, before we actually get into it, you might be wondering why you want to even get a Pro account. There's many benefits. So at the top, the most important benefit could be that there's a lot of user access control. So as you can see on the screen to the left, you have different options like users, pools, groups, and these settings allow you to manage all your users and separate them. You can also do the same for Ewons too and separate them into different pools, which you can restrict to certain users. So this could be great if you have many clients who are using Ewons. So getting back into it, first of all, to actually import all your Ewons, you have to go to Account. And if you scroll right to the bottom, you can see the option that says import all Ewons from another account. So if we select that, it will give you the wizard that you can go through, and it will include all the different warnings and stuff like that. So if we head to next. So for this, I'm going to use a test account, which I set up earlier. It's important to know that to do this, you'll have to be the admin or have access to an admin login to your previous free account. So it brings you the option of using an existing pool or creating a new one. So if I was to create a new one, I could create one and name it as Mac test. And if I had to next, so the reason it's saying this is because there's no Ewons currently allocated to that device. But if there was, you would be able to see them and select them and then click on import Ewons. So once you click on import Ewons, it will of course bridge all the Ewons from the previous account to this account. And then another important thing to know is that once you've imported them, you can no longer access them on the free account as they're here. So if you head back to Ewons, once they're imported, they'll be added here. So as you can see, you've got two Ewons which are online. And it's as simple as that. And if you scroll on the right, yep, the IPs, the serial numbers will just stay the same. The only thing that will change is the VPN settings, depending on the account that you're using. So yeah, that about marks the tutorial on how to import all your Ewons. If you've got any questions at all about this, feel free to reach out to sales at Mac Solutions or to the technical support team, which is support@macsolutions.co.uk. Thank you.